That is a shame to Jacinta. It's a shame to Jacinta because she have ruled her own family and she thinks she can rule everyone, and I never met even one meeting with her.
Jacinta uyasho laphana ukuthi Jacinta wabayuza yena benophayela umthakathi uJacinta angathi namehlula indoda yazi ungizwa waqala ukuyisho le nto lenihlale isho nje whenever igadla uJacinta uveza lokuthi uJacinta uhlula indoda yakhe agcina uhambe ehlula wonke amadoda abantu uthi ungizwa uJacinta wabayuza kakhulu ngoba uJacinta imashini mash kwakuyiqeqebana labantu bafika bona yanako lento yemashini mash kodwa manje usekwazi ukuthi yena enze kanye mina I can agree, yes. Yabona ikhulu iqhaza elidlalwe ongizwa nophara umthakathi kule nto yemashini mash ngizozola-ke by the way ivideo but asiqale la sikhuluma lento ukuthi likhulu iqhaza elibanjwe ongizwa benophara umthakathi futhi eqinisweni even naloku ku-announce kwaphara umthakathi umhla ka-30 let's be honest abekho abantu ababezohamba nje soli ngemashini mash ngalesi sikhathi kodwa kufika kwangizwe nolontuzana nophara umthakathi especially nje lowa mhla ka-30 bakwazi ukuthi bahambe abantu and lento I said it before ukuthi lento ama-mashini mash ayiqali kwakhona operation dudula onhlanhlanhlax baningi nje abantu abazama lento kodwa kaze kuhambe muntu kodwa kuthe uphara umthakathi esethe 30 kwayimasibona abantu behambe so zingazi ukuthi amandla omuntu akadliwa kaZulu ungizwa ukhuluma iqiniso elimsulwa uma esho kanjalo ukuthi empeleni yes badlalile iqhaza kowena okunye ngibona baziyo-ke njengoba esho ngizwa ukuthi khona izinto angasimezisho manje azaziyo kushaqe eNingizimu Afrika yonke but okunye nokunye kuthinta bona so lento ngaleso sikhathi abakukhuluma ngako but amandla omuntu akadliwa kaZulu ungizwa nophara umthathu badlala elikhulu iqhaza asakude lento yokugodisa abantu bokufika sazoqhubeka noma isiphelile but it is what it is.
And now she will see the real truth of umhlaba. Ngiyakutshena mina asebexakile eyobuya futhi ize kodwa kwamanje ngoku insult abanginsathe ngayo mina nginezinto ejuleleyo engizaziyo ngabo that I never announce in public because ngikhulile emveni kwalokho I decided to be quiet and also to tell them straight ukuthi umuntu akayihlule yodwa indoda yakhe ayihluleke angahambe futhi ukuhlula wonke umuntu mina nje nophakela I can confirm that we have been used ukuthi someone must climb the ladder and then silibambele thina and then when you reach the rooftop and then alikhahleli ladder and then in human nature no, I'm not saying that but I'm saying what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Is that when someone climbs the ladder and kick the ladder while you are holding the ladder, that is the biggest betrayal of them all. And then you allow the person to cruise as they cruise and hold different meetings as they wish. You don't say anything, just one meeting. Then the whole country becomes shaken. Ngimdala kule nto mina ngikade ngangikhona nangu unrest ngangikhona ngingakwazi ukulenza iqiniso lapha ngilenza khona ngabhekana nezimpi ngayinqoba namanje ngikwazi ke mina experience enginayo bese ngizodlala izingane engakaze zibone ngisho nje umnyango we-police station ukuthi njalo.
Ngicela ukubuza nje ukugcina umbuzo ngacingwana bazokuthatha nabanye ozakwethu mawuthi nina nophakela umthakathi you were used usho ukuthini you were used how by who?
By Jacinta.
How?
She has been begging us for several times to join the March and March. March and March was about not more than 20 people marching on the street. She has been crying out privately and publicly. asibeze imashini. And then mase kube inkosi yama kunjani lapha mangimtshela ukuthi mina eyazi cabanga ukuthi siye lapha nathi ngikhuluma noNdabandaba abona siye lapha eEastern Cape wathi ayasiye wenza iposter yena wenza abayiboba imashini yale Eastern Cape yayizothi ngathi nayi kulungile ngoba mina ngifuniwa ibrand yayodwa phakala walwa yena wathi hayi insizwa nomsizwa washo waqima angazi insizwa nomsizwa nani namthi ngicabanga nokusuku lentombi nomuntu foundation yebo so manje and then ngathi mina no professionally ibrand yemashini asibe andayo you are happy or you are not happy wangihleli babona ukwethu wangilalela sahamba saya Eastern Cape sayixosha inkosi yamaGwalagwala emveni kolokho the rest is history. And the whole South Africa was shaken, and the machine was highly successful against illegal immigrants. We has been supporting Mash. So now, our support is no longer important and is no longer relevant. So she must remain on her own, and she must go back to the patients, the young interns, and aqoqana abantu abaqoqayo adle nezemali ayitholileyo mina enzinye engizaziyo ukuthi uyithole kuphi yabona ngaphandle nangaphakathi aqhubeke enze yonke leyo mina ngeke mina ngambe ngikhuluma into engingayazi ngoba ngathi manje Cyril hlala la Mandla hlala la Jacinta hlala la Phakela hlala la and it's an insult that kunomongameli ohlele carry back of money. So mabe mthuka political bamthuka political yabona mina ngiqala ukuhlangana nomongameli I've met Thabo Mbeki, I've met Nelson Mandela, I've met Zuma mawuhlangana noZuma kuthiwa wow usikhonzele kubaba akushiwo ukuthi uzomnika imali mawuhlangana noThabo Mbeki kuthiwa mzizi academic president mawuhlangana noCyril kuthiwa khona uzobudla no 2014 nayishorent wathiwa mina ngidle imali 15 million kodwa ngithe mangishelwa izindlu utholakala izindlu zotshala ikhona inja engathola 15 million lihlile nawo kwakha nje noma kuthiwa nje nge-subsidy eyodwa nje ngoba mina lo ngazalwa kaze ngisebenze lo ngazalwa mina kaze ngihole lo ngazalwa mina nje akakaze nje ngidayise embuze kube khona engikutholayo abafazi bami bonke ngaqhaswa abafazi bami bonke abe-corruption imizi engayakhile imisebenzi engayenza phambi kobaba omkhulu yonke ye-corruption. So South Africa, you must wake up and stand for the truth. The truth shall set you free, and it will help you, even personally, in your own bed. That you must know, when you want likes and you want relevance against other people's name, you are on your own because you shall die, and dying lying while other people are speaking the truth and respecting their ancestors.
Thank you very much, my son.
We love your guys. We love the whole three of your